Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Glad that you're here for this video. Today I'm going to share my online teaching morning routine with you guys. Let's get started. Upon arrival to the class, my students are greeted with this welcome. Once my students are in, I am going to project this slide and then my students are going to be greeting one another. But first, I gotta greet them all. So I greet each student. When I am there, I'm gonna be singing, good morning, good morning. And how are you this morning? Good morning, good morning. And then I'm gonna do a roll call, calling all their names. I teach two classes, and the population of these classes are very small. So I can afford to do that. Then my students would greet each other individually. So they're going to call each person within their class. My students are special ed, so I focus a lot on social skills with them. Then we are just going to ensure that these things are in place, our microphones are muted, and that we are listening to each other. And then they are going to have that time to care and share. In caring and sharing, my students, they would bring their concerns, they would bring news, they would ask any question that they have. They would also just share things like if they are celebrating something, or if they are thankful for something, or if they feel proud about something, they can just share it. And all of us, we are going to care by giving our responses, and we're going to keep our responses positive. That's one thing I try to guide my students to try to be as positive as they can to each other. Guys, we have been going through a lot since the first term of school. At the start of the school year, trust me, it has been a lot. It was dengue fever. Then we had spike with the virus situation here. Then we had the eruption of our volcano, La Soufrière. So, guys, it has been a lot. And then, of course, we are going to check in with their feelings, and they are going to choose the emoji that matches their feelings. If it is a devotion day, so we do devotion Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. If it is a devotion day, then we are going to be doing this scripture. We are going to like go through it word by word, and we are going to try to understand it. Once we are done with that, I would head over to YouTube and then I would play my students a gospel song that is kids friendly, one that they may know by heart. And I try to use those that has like the animated versions to them so that they can really enjoy it. Once that is done, if it's not a devotion day, I would do the scripture that we did for devotion on Monday, Wednesday, or on Friday. Most of the time, we do one scripture that lasts for the whole week so that they can memorize the scripture. I would have them say the scripture, try to memorize it, and then we would do the quote of the day. This is a quote that we have done by Nelson Mandela, and here we're going to play this song. And trust me, guys, this song by Fun Squad, it is a really, really great motivation song. If you have not tried it yet, you need to try it. And it actually starts off with a class scene and the students being like fatigued, they're tired, and that kind of thing. And then the song was able to just wake them up. And I think that's exactly what it is doing for my students. My students, they love this song really, really, really. They love the song a lot, guys. So you guys can try this one in your class. And this is our song for this term. Remember, I told you guys we have been going through a lot. So we need a song that can really help us this term. And once we are done with the song, then we are going to do activity time. And most of the time for activity time, I'm going to focus on something that we have to reinforce or something that we have done, but some of the students may still be working on mastering, or some of the students they may have trouble remembering. So this activity we were doing the long I song and we were doing these variations. So what they had to do is that they had to look at each picture and they had to say the item that the picture is showing, and then they had to say which variation they would use to spell the word, and then we would just spell the word out and I would just type it in under each picture. And as you can see, I have like distractors. So shield, that is a distractor because we know that that would make E sound rather than I using this variation. And we have some more distractors, guys. So that's basically what we do for activity time. Once activity time is finished, then we go into the lesson for the day. This morning routine lasts for about 5 to 8 minutes most times. Sometimes it goes like up to 10 minutes and it works perfectly cool. If you guys are wondering about the fonts, I got those fonts from Sarah Barnett, Bubbles font, and I got their pictures, all pictures from Pixabay, and Pixabay pictures they are free to use. So if you guys were wondering, you can just head over there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and let me know what videos you guys want to see. I would try my best to do some more videos for you guys. Until then, stay safe, guys.